Hi, I'm Dr. Dave David. You may have seen me featured on television networks, including CNN and MSNBC. I'm a board-certified obstetrician and a cosmetic surgeon with over 30 years' experience as an MD. I also run a private cosmetic practice in Boston that emphasizes techniques that visibly reduce signs of aging. In other words, I've spent a lot of time researching supplements that help people achieve a great complexion, like Illuminatural 6i by Skinception. This is a natural-based skin lightening product designed to brighten the skin and also visibly reduce skin blemishes like age spots and hyperpigmentation. Now, as a cosmetic surgeon, I've seen skin lightening products become really popular in the past few years. But you know, the doctor in me just shudders when I think of the mercury in a lot of these products. You may know mercury is an element and a potential toxin. Well, believe me, it's not something you want in your body. In fact, one study found that nearly 1 out of every 4 skin lighteners made in Asia and sold in the US contained mercury. Well, that's one of many reasons why I would recommend Illuminatural 6i to patients who want a great, flawless complexion without that whole can of worms of mercury. It's a blend of natural lightening agents like niacinamide and alpha-arbutin, which act to interrupt an enzyme called tyrosinase, which is responsible for dark spots. Illuminatural 6i works with your skin to encourage new bright skin cells to rise to the surface. So beyond just the safety considerations though, Illuminatural really works. The makers of Illuminatural have done their homework through careful research and analysis and blended a formula of clinically proven active ingredients that produce visible lightening with reduction in freckles, sun and age spots, and related hyperpigmentation beginning in just 4 weeks. Now, being a cosmetic surgeon, I have a natural skepticism for any product that claims to reduce signs of aging and produce younger skin. But I highly recommend Illuminatural 6i to any man or woman who wants to safely lighten their skin and achieve that flawless complexion that so many people are looking for.